I ain't gonna lie. This weekly is absolutely going into this weekly fair value gap before we get another push to all-time highs. Daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. We have not had one bullish candle in all of these 4-hour ranges. So 1 hour's bearish. We're already displacing out of this 1 hour gap. At open, we should really just get a big dump lower, but we do have previous days lows as our drawn liquidity. Today is our first day on the live, so you feel me? I do want to see us go lower. I'm not sure if it's going to be out of this little baby 15 minute, which highly doubt. Just because we're already distributing out of this 1 hour, I kind of want to see another push lower, because all we did was take out this swing low. We don't really have any high resistance liquidity resting below us. Only thing is really these 4-hour gaps that we're tapping into right now. You never know. We might get a close and then retrace back into one of these 4-hour gaps. You feel me? Or we get a Judas, which is, oh my God, we're actually getting it. I hate how this actually happens every single time. This push up with this close below is exactly what we'd want to see. I'm in shorts. We only have one contract on, one micro, but this push up with this push down, closing with this inverse in the last 20 seconds of the leg. We did come up, sweep these internal highs inside of this little baby ass 15, inside of that little baby ass 15-minute fair value gap. We got that. We are already displacing out of this hourly. We should see another distribution leg lower, and we did get the close. It wasn't my idea to take shorts off the first, what is this, 2 minutes of market open, but hey, bruh, we got clear sell side targets. I kind of want to see us just inch lower and lower all day today, especially distributing out of this gap. I don't expect any of these 4-hour fair value gaps to hold to the left, just because, like, look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Like, we are totally just distributing in towards this weekly fair value gap. And then next week, we'll probably get the distribution out of it. But the daily low resistance liquidity run to these lows, the 4-hour low resistance liquidity run besides these fair value gaps, I don't want to see get respected, at least to these lows. It looks pretty good, bro. That's all I'm trying to say. We do have a 48.25 point stop. We are getting this move higher back again. At this point, if we get a move up, an inverse, and another move back up, brother, it's probably just not my day. At that point, it's just not my day. Even then, I'm about to get stopped out anyways. Probably cooked here, unless we just respect this 1 minute, but low-key doesn't look like it. We didn't get the inverse, but we are getting a nice push higher. So we could definitely come up, resweep inside of here. Looks like we are. Definitely not surprised. I like the setup. I like the move. We came up. We'll probably come up in here, to be honest. Now we really just gotta wait, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We really just gotta wait. As long as we don't see any gigantic big-ass move and pushes higher, and we see some more swing lows and lower lows getting made, oh my Lord. I say that, and then that's the type of push we get. Because obviously, if we break structure right now to the upside, we're cooked. We're fried. We're stir fry. Chop liver. But yeah, it ain't looking good, my boy. It ain't looking good. This consolidation candle kind of crazy. And this push higher. What are we doing, brother? Probably hold. If this closes above this, I'll exit this trade. Only if we close above this candle. All right, I closed early here just because I saw that we did get that giant reversal out of here. Didn't need to take a loss bigger than what we already took. And just like that, down $100. Not really too bad with one micro. Definitely looks like we're about to come up into here though. I mean, we already swept. Yeah, if anything, I'll catch a 5-minute continuation, because I don't really like how we came up, already swept that high, swept the low, then we came up, re-swept the high, 2 highs, and we have resting buy side inside of a stacked 15-minute and hourly. I mean, if anything, this should kind of be protected. I mean, do you think this was just a rejection wick? Possibly a tap 0.5 of the range, and we just got our inverse with our change in the state. Not opposed to re-entering shorts right now. I do want to see a retrace though, for sure. Like most definitely, because we would get another change in the state after this inverse. This is low-key bad RR. I want to see us kind of tap into something first like that. And then okay, we're just going to distribute lower. Nice. I could use this candle wick high as my stop loss placement. There we go. All right. Took one last stab at this. Imagine we just go all the way up, get stopped out in 2 seconds. That'd be hilarious. Then it'd be a day to remember, wouldn't it, huh? And it's funny because I said it, and then that's exactly what's probably gonna happen. Got our change in the state. We just tapped it. It is an order block. Got our inverse as well. Now we're just looking for distribution leg lower. We do have another 43-point stop. Now we're just waiting for this distribution leg to play out. We do want to see another leg lower. New 15-minute just open, man. The 15-minute is, we are rejecting out of this. What is this? Is this a rejection block? Out of this rejection block on the hourly tapped EQ of this range. Yeah, man. But it looks like we are about to get it just another retrace higher, which is gonna stop us out. I like it. I still like the move. You know, I'm okay with my stops being here just because we did get the tap and the close below with the order block. We did inverse this fair value gap too. So order flow has been confirmed bearish. It is shifted. And all we're waiting for now is really just this break of structure down here. And once we get that, we should see a nice, like a good displacement lower, like a nice dump, like one of them South Park, you know, type of dumps. And our macro time is about to happen in 13 seconds. So that's kind of going to determine whether we get this push lower or not. So, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we just don't get a giant wick up absolutely shitting on us, but we're about to find out. So we'll see. Moving my stops to this candle wick high. I'm trailing it to this last swing high that we made on this leg down. Just broke structure to the downside. Finally, don't really want to see us get a big ass retracement here, but it's possible. Wow. I mean, are we bullish or what? Holy. What kind of move is this? Look at the strength out of this move. Oh, brother. I'm about to say, did we not just close below this? Even then, we just inversed. So this inverse might hold and we still might push higher. I need to respect bearish order flow here. But Lord, this is a great IVG if I'm going long. If I didn't have such a bias towards these daily lows and structure wasn't just having bearish order flow right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we just low resistance run to this 5-minute and then possibly come back lower. I'm not sure. We're definitely getting cooked. We just swept internals. I don't expect this to hold. I really don't. I expect my stop loss to fully get hit in the next couple candles unless we just close below this, and this structure break doesn't just push orders all the way back up to the highs, but I don't expect that at all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If we come and retrace back into some BS, bro, I swear, bro, like, come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. We just inverse all these gaps. We are bearish as hell. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Got absolutely taken the fuck out. Oh my gosh. Only a 10-point stop today. So it wasn't that bad. We did lose $124 on the day. Not too big of a deal. Not bad at all. I did like the setup that we got. We did just sweep this 5-minute right here. So this is kind of where I would have expected us to retrace into. It looks like we kind of just need orders to be generated in order to give price that push lower that we need. I do want to wait and see if we get an inverse out of this 5-minute. So like dead ass, are we not in a clear sell model? Can we get our next push lower or some shit? Like, what are we talking about? This inverse out of this 5-minute is what we'd want to see for us to show that this 5-minute fair value gap is getting respected and there is bearish order flow coming through this area of price. I only got about 5 minutes left, so If price gonna do anything, it's gotta do it now. You feel me? Especially in this macro time, I wouldn't be surprised. Like I'd fully expect this 5 minute to hold, see continuations through this low, and then get that push lower to this weekly fair value gap. It's just one of them type of things, bro. And that's why I'm getting ready to enter shorts again if we get this fair value gap, because 5 minute fair value gap is probably the best inverses to catch, and we're getting a decent amount of strength. I want to wait for this closure here just to confirm. Boom, got it. There we go. Stops at this candle body high. I do have to go. I am confident that we do have clear draws still. I'm okay taking this. This inverse is literally everything that we want to see here. Like, it's actually everything we want to see. I have a point where I can trail my stop, and yeah, man.